Introduction to batch renaming files.
Batch renaming files means changing the names of multiple files at once. This is useful for organizing photos, documents, or downloads quickly. Both Windows and Mac offer simple ways to rename many files at the same time, saving you from renaming each one manually. Let's look at the easiest methods for each system.
Batch renaming files in Windows.
On Windows, open File Explorer and go to the folder with the files you want to rename. Select all the files you wish to rename. You can do this by clicking the first file, holding Shift, and clicking the last file. Press F2 or right-click and pick Rename. Enter a new name and press Enter. Windows will automatically number each file.
Using PowerRename in Windows 10 and 11.
For more advanced options on Windows 10 or 11, you can use PowerRename, part of PowerToys. Download and install PowerToys. Right-click the files you want to rename and choose PowerRename. In the dialog, set your naming pattern or use Search and Replace to customize file names. Click Rename to apply the changes instantly.
Batch renaming files on Mac.
On a Mac, open Finder and go to your files. Select the files you want to rename. Right-click and choose Rename. You'll see options Replace Text, Add Text, or Format. Choose Format to create names with numbers, or Replace Text to switch specific words. Click Rename and your files will update together, following your chosen pattern.
Tips for successful batch renaming.
Before batch renaming, double-check your file selections to avoid accidental changes. If you're unsure, practice with a small set of files first. Creating a backup of your files is a good idea before making major changes. Both Windows and Mac provide undo options to revert changes if needed, so you can experiment safely with the batch rename features.
Wrapping up, organize files faster.
Batch renaming saves time and keeps your files organized. Whether you're using Windows or Mac, built-in tools make the process simple and quick. Try these steps with your next big batch of files for a cleaner digital workspace. For extra power, explore specialized apps or built-in utilities for even greater control over file names.